Welcome to SpaceInMinutes, where space meets simplicity. New videos drop weekly, so subscribe and join our awesome cosmic community. If you're excited about making space more accessible for everyone, why not join us as a member? Your support really means everything to us. As a member, you can enjoy our videos without ads and help us create even more awesome content. What if I told you that there's a planet where it rains diamonds, and another with a moon that might have aliens swimming beneath its surface? Our solar system isn't just rocks and gas floating in space. It's full of strange, extreme, and mind-blowing wonders. Let's take a tour of the weirdest, wildest corners of our cosmic neighborhood. We've sent robots, probes, and even humans into space, but we've barely scratched the surface. Our solar system is full of surprises that sound more like science fiction than reality. Here are 10 incredible facts about the solar system you probably didn't learn in school, all explained in plain English, the touch of curiosity and wonder. Number 10. The Sun makes up a whopping 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Seriously, if you could weigh everything in our solar system, the Sun would totally steal the show. It holds an incredible 99.8% of the total mass, leaving just a tiny 0.2% for everything else: planets, moons, asteroids, comets, you name it. Imagine a gigantic pizza with 100 slices. The Sun is gobbling up 99.8 of those slices, while the rest of the solar system is left scrapping for the few crumbs. It's like the ultimate heavyweight champion, right? That's how incredibly dominant our star is, shaping everything around it with its massive gravitational pull. Just think about how everything from Earth to Jupiter orbits around this fiery giant. It's a real cosmic power play. Number 9. Saturn could float in water. Yes, this gas giant is so light, at least by planetary standards, that if you could drop it into a bathtub big enough, it would float. That S because it's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, some of the lightest elements in the universe. It's like a giant balloon with the beautiful rings, hovering in a cosmic pool. But don't try this at home. Saturn is still 95 times more massive than Earth. Number 8. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Isn't that wild? Thanks to its spin, Earth actually bulges a bit at the equator, which makes it wider there than from pole to pole. This unique shape is called an oblate spheroid. Picture this. When you spin a water balloon, it gets a little squished, right? Earth does the same thing, but in a super subtle way. Here, it's a fun tidbit for you. You actually weigh a tiny bit less at the equator than you do at the poles. So, next time you're globetrotting, remember that your weight might change just because of where you are on this amazing planet. How cool is that? Number 7. Jupiter has the most intense storm in the solar system. The Great Red Spot is a storm twice as wide as Earth, and it's been raging for over 350 years. Its winds reach speeds of up to 430 kilometers per hour. It's like a hurricane the size of a continent that's been spinning since before your great-grandparents were born. Jupiter's size and atmosphere make it a weather system all its own. It's the king of storms. Number 6. Pluto has ice mountains taller than the Rockies. Can you believe it? Even though Pluto is smaller than our moon, it boasts mountains that soar up to 11,000 feet high. And get this, they're made of frozen water ice. Imagine trying to climb the Rockies, but instead of solid rock, you're scaling these icy peaks in the sky. It's pitch black because the sun is just a tiny speck of light way out there. Pluto might seem cold and distant, but it's actually geologically active. It's not just a frozen wasteland like we used to think. Scientists have spotted signs of ice flows and even potential cryovolcanoes, which are like volcanoes that spew out slushy ice instead of lava. How wild is that? So next time you think about Pluto, remember it's full of surprises. Number 5. Can you believe it? On Neptune and Uranus, it might actually rain diamonds. Imagine this, under intense pressure and crazy temperatures. Carbon atoms deep inside these planets get squished into diamonds and then fall like hail. Picture storm clouds swirling above you, and instead of raindrops, it's diamonds pelting down all around you. How wild is that? This idea is still a theory, but there's some solid evidence popping up from lab experiments. Scientists are really diving into this, and it's fascinating to think about what it would be like to witness such a spectacular sight in the universe. Just think about a train that sparkles. Isn't that mind-blowing? Number 4. Our solar system is moving through space, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. Number 3. Europa might just blow your mind with the idea that there's a liquid ocean hiding beneath its icy crust. So, picture this. Europa, one of Jupiter's coolest moons, looks like a frozen wonderland on the outside. But guess what? Beneath that icy shell lies a massive ocean, possibly holding twice the volume of all the oceans on Earth combined. Imagine cracking open that icy surface and discovering a salty, dark sea down there, warmed up by tidal forces. It's like a hidden treasure chest. And where there's water, there's a chance for life, right? That's why Europa is considered one of the top spots in our solar system to hunt for aliens. Seriously, who wouldn't want to dive into that mystery? Number 2. Venus is hotter than Mercury. Can you believe it? Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, Venus takes the crown when it comes to heat. We're talking about sizzling temperatures over 460 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a pizza oven, right? So, what's the deal? It's all about that thick, dense atmosphere packed with carbon dioxide, which traps heat like nobody's business in a runaway greenhouse effect. Imagine leaving your car windows rolled up on a scorching summer day. This time, your car is filled with sulfuric acid and lava, and it's parked way too close to the sun. Crazy, huh? Venus is like that fiery friend who always brings the heat to the party. And finally, number 1. The sun will eventually swallow the Earth, and it's a wild thought. In about 5 billion years, our sun will run out of hydrogen, puffing up into a massive red giant. Can you picture it? It's like a giant fireball, slowly inflating, growing bigger and bigger until it gobbles up Mercury, Venus, and maybe even our beloved Earth. But hey, don't sweat it. We've got eons to go. Still, it's a pretty intense reminder that nothing lasts forever, not even our shining star. Our solar system is a place of extremes where the impossible becomes reality. From diamond rain to floating planets, from hidden oceans to cosmic dance floors, it's a wonderland that continues to surprise and inspire us. As we explore further and learn more, who knows what other mind-blowing discoveries await? Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, you're gazing into a vast, mysterious realm filled with wonders beyond our wildest imagination. Our solar system isn't just our cosmic backyard. It's a playground of scientific marvels, each one inviting us to question, explore, and dream. So the next time someone tells you that space is just a bunch of empty darkness, you can smile and tell them about the diamond storms on Neptune or the towering ice mountains on tiny Pluto. Our solar system is proof that reality can be stranger and more beautiful than fiction. As we wrap up our cosmic tour, take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and diversity of our solar neighborhood. From the scorching inferno of Venus to the icy depths of Europa, from the massive storms of Jupiter to the delicate rings of Saturn, each planet and moon tells a unique story. We're all part of this cosmic story, right? Our planet Earth is like this beautiful blue marble floating in space, with stunning oceans, lush green forests, and a crazy mix of life forms that make it so unique. Think about it. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with fish to the majestic mountains that touch the sky, it's all pretty incredible. We're living on this giant spaceship, zooming through the galaxy, surrounded by cosmic wonders that most of us don't even think about, like distant stars and swirling galaxies. It's wild to imagine how small we are in the grand scheme of things, yet how special our home really is. So next time you're feeling down or overwhelmed by everyday life, remember this: you're part of something incredibly vast and amazing. You're made of stardust, living on a planet that's part of a solar system full of mind-blowing wonders. And who knows, maybe one day humans will visit some of these places and see them up close. Until then, keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep exploring. Because in the end, that's what makes us human. Our curiosity, our drive to understand, and our ability to be awed by the universe around us. From the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy, there's always something new to discover. And our solar system is just the beginning. That's just one cosmic mystery explained in minutes. If you learned something new today, give it a like and let me know what you're curious about in the comments. I'll reply to every single one. And if you want to see more space, science, and imagination, all in under 10 minutes, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.